terms of applications, there's a huge trend we're seeing in both application security and application performance. One of the key areas that we're seeing trending is obviously, number one, organizations are managing increasing number of applications, and as they're going through their digital transformation and as they're adopting more modernized applications, with those applications there's API traffic that is involved, and as these API traffic and dependency on these API traffic grows, it makes the API traffic a target for many security threats. The other key areas is around some of the challenges around the API security. We're seeing that with API security, for example, new challenges are being introduced. For instance, you need to be able to discover what are the API endpoints that you have within your organizations, whether those are authorized APIs, whether partner APIs, and we're seeing that a lot of the traditional API security solutions are not able to detect a lot of the API traffic or behaviors associated with these modern applications. If you look at generally balancing security versus performance, scalability, and usability is an ongoing challenge that many organizations face. If you just look at, for example, just security and performance, right? As you're adding additional security layers, right? If it's not done correctly, you could introduce an additional latency in the overall experience that you're introducing. And in today's network, or in today's world, even a fraction of latency as you introduce, that kind of drives away the subscribers or your customers. Scalability also, as you're introducing security, you need to make sure your security dynamically scales with your applications, with your network as you're growing. AI is becoming commonly used by many of our attackers, and our goal is to make sure our customers, and the organizations always stay ahead of these criminals and attackers. So we're doing a lot of great work around AI and investing around AI. One of the key areas that we're focusing on is around our threat intelligence. So we use threat intelligence as a way, as a feed into many of our products, which to prevent or protect our customers around a variety of threats. So we have been actually using machine learning, AI-based analysis to improve the overall algorithms that we have, or we use as part of our AI processes. Looking at the Akamai solutions, we are providing more of a comprehensive controls around all these elements. We do provide, as we mentioned, protection for the applications, protection for the APIs that application uses, also providing with our zero trust services or solutions, we do provide granular access to these applications. And finally, at this infrastructure level, we do provide protection against the infrastructure that has those applications running by providing DDoS protections. And lastly, we also protect the users that are accessing these solutions with our security services that protects the end users from malware, phishing, botnet protection. We're ensuring that their devices and those users are free from any malware or viruses. One of the key areas we definitely going to see a lot of innovations coming out is around AI and how we're using AI to not only improve our threat intelligence, but also providing solutions that enables AI or using AI for securing the network, or AI security related solutions. The company is focusing on Akamai connected cloud or cloud computing. So we are also improving a lot of services and capabilities around our cloud computing. We are expanding our presence around cloud computing core points and the edge points. We are also providing new services more focused on cloud native services like Kubernetes management services.